my people. We are gonna get in some things here now. We have about 3 or more live to share with Uno. You see me I say? So the first one I'm want to share with Uno my people. Shebada deal with Macadam and a way big man thing, John no star. And people, you see these things on social media. Sometimes we keep up enough how we still, you know what I mean? Give we something for watch, for pass time, you know what I mean? And just enjoy ourselves. You know some little cussing, cause enough of them cussing are entertaining bad, right? So as me say, Shebada deal with Maca way and also rub cheese, you see me? And bling a come talk some things my people and play a thing with Dan. I say some people Dan say some Dan say something yo me have to laugh my people, me not lie. Maybe we'll put it on the thumbnail so maybe see how already. You know what I mean? But me not get to it. Me I go make on ear. You see me? So also my people, Ivani, you know what I mean, she mourned the unalive of her friend Stunner. You see me I say? Him drop out. Them say him the diabetic, you know what I mean? And of that unalive him. You see me I say? Me not 100% sure, but I think that is it. So we're gonna get into that also my people. And we're gonna get in a discussion where them have pan alive, you see me I say, about Dan and cheese. You see me? So we're gonna just kick it off with Shebada, or macadamia and cheese, and get into the rest.
Yeah, cheese. Yeah. If you can't manage Dan, call me. Remember your girl a pack barrel of grocery for me, because you lift up things where you never organize. You know you pull up the things them. How this about next topic? Look for your cheese weather. She's where tonight. We steady with our matic. Yeah, she's shaky with fear own. We steady with our matic. Yeah, Maddie. About next topic. We not have no topic once cheese well. Once we pay respect to the dead. Yeah, in loving memory. About next topic. Cheese we are crucified and it's not Easter. And she will give it to both down a long time this and a long time that. Me not like me young cheese and you let me down. Me not like when the nursing home beat the creech. I hate it. I don't like it. I don't like when the nursing home beat the creech. We young, we're vibrant, we eat sugar, we have energy. Come on, bring it on, cheese, bring it on. You're not shoot no shot. All I know you're not shoot no shot. Yeah, try bust up a whole heap of things. And Dana dance. Then you used to sell crutches because you can't dance. Then who could have them singles that try to link you with them? I have so many ways to sell things. The truth I reveal. You should have never make Dan dance. You should never let Dan dance. Dana dance though. And she not get nothing from the 90s. And she had Asian days though. Speaking of Asian days, my break like a cheese, may I come. Go get some water and drink it. Drink it slowly, may I come. I want to say this. I see macadamia without makeup. Macadamia, I'm going to tell you the truth from the bottom of my orange. You see nothing where people cuss you about, them never tell a lie. Nothing where people cuss you about macadamia, them never tell a lie. It's when them the girl them dog you out, them never tell a lie. Never tell a lie for you. When them say you're ugly, I chew them attack. And you favor donkey, I chew them attack. Because I see you without makeup and you say you're tired. And you are such a beautiful lady without makeup. Honestly, macadamia, be not telling a lie. You look really and truly. That's why the people them cuss you and say you favor donkey for true. Because when she in a makeup, she look age. She look age. Yeah, them have all right for cuss you. Them have all right for cuss you. Because sometimes you don't do the most for everybody I do and it don't fit you. You look like a nice big woman, Maca Diamond, honestly, without makeup. For true. No, for real. You see? A natural look is better. No, for real. When me see the makeup, then me can't look in your face because they like your face. If them set you up, your makeup artist set you up, and if you are do it, stop it. Stop. For true, I have to look on the ladies so and them say you're 1,000. That's true. Them say you're 1,000. And if you're 1,000 and you look so you age well, and for stress and everything will beat you bad, you age well, Maca Diamond. You are such a beautiful lady naturally. And take it from me, for real. For real. Auntie Dana, thank you so very much for the bless up. Thank you very much, Auntie Dana. Thank you so very much. Yeah, Maca Diamond, when them say you favor donkey, them have all right for talk it. You know, see your destiny looking at your makeup, when you can't escape the stable. When you can't escape, there's no escaping of the stable. You're a natural. When you say you can't wear makeup in a Maca Diamond, but me not like I love you naturally. I just love you naturally. She have a nice little white wig and no makeup, no eyelash. And she look beautiful, beautiful. And she says she's tired and sweaty and you can see, you know, evidence of it, but that me like. You know, she's tired and she's sweaty and you can see her natural beauty. She aged well for a big woman. She look like she have nice skin too. Yeah. For true, Maca Diamond, Mudawa, and no capping, no, for true. No capping. You look really nice. Yeah. For true, Maca, big up yourself. Back to cheese, the blase.
So big up Miss Dana.
Miss Dana, big up yourself, for true. Big up yourself, lad. You love Miss Dana, man.
Some people wonder why enough women love makeup, so you know. Cause enough of them look good naturally, you know. Big woman thing, you know. And the makeup mash up them skin enough of the time, you know. Just so me I say, you ever see how some woman with like some hole in them face and them something there? You know what I mean? The makeup mash them up. You see me? But Maca Diamond, them always say Maca Diamond. Maca Diamond a whole heap, you know what I mean? Maca Diamond all. You know why? Because Maca Diamond been in the business long time. You see me? I say Maca Diamond in the business from maybe lady and them days. You see me? A long time Maca Diamond in the business. You see me? So them always say Maca Diamond how much than them way them. You understand? So people, tell me in the comment section how old on the thing Maca Diamond is. So make we go watch some more Shebada say about cheese, you know.
Big up yourself, it's done me like get beaten for big you up. Big up yourself. I captain. Me don't know what else to do. Hi, Miss Dana. Hello. Me don't know because me I get beaten for big you up. Oh. Somebody say me up late. The boy gonna buy food for me and him eat. Me I wonder if the food I go. If you know say me don't I'm swinging things and I can't swing. You can't see me. You're not supposed to see me. You're not supposed to see me. Oh, where you want to see my fam? This harsh. Yeah. She be mind catch cold, why you up so late? And I catches myself back road, I work my soon gone. At them time I'm a beard and go out. Them time I'm a beard and just step out in a me. The boy I come, the boy I want me, as much as all my crying. Soon time for work. Yeah, Molly! My baby! Hi Molly, how you doing? Molly, how are you? My love man. So, hi! Yeah. Desperation a beat me, man. Marley, nice, Marley. Okay, cheese we a chat Marley. Oh, but she named the donor. Cheese that you get the week. You get the week. You run out and get your own matic, cause he wasn't steady with it. You die. You make an Asian the woman where you say. In the war, you say cheese as a young girl, me shame. Me say she beat in every battle, even the rap battle. Yeah, she got bars. She got bars. That lady drunk you. Done drunk you with rap. You like draw information and evidence from people. You a girl who walk and tell like a whole heap of people on the internet. Dan have secret in our phone put on for rainy days like these. When your parents tell you say, save for rainy day, you will not believe, you know. Dan have some evidence in our phone. You should have thief Dan phone. Why you never shoplift Dan phone off our shape? Why you never lift up Dan phone and go into it? Like how you have a way call computer people, we call computer whiz, because I can't find the word you know. Ivan, why you never teach Dan phone and make Ivan broke into it, since Ivan is educated with gadgets? Why you never make she broke into it? You understand? And give you all the information with Dan and fire before you come for Dan. Me hackers, sorry, yeah, hackers. Why you never make she do it? You run go for that, but old girl, a crutches they used to sell, crutches, and you favor Queenie, and Dan older than you, and you look like Queenie. Eh? You and Queenie look like when they in a one room I play bingo, and me no want to nursing home. Me just don't want calling name. Yeah. And then just a beat your bad cheese. Hey, you know, say in all things, Rosalie for pay me. Anything I say me, I go to me do it, you know. Don't me did say, who can remember when I say me nah stop texting for Rosalie until she get up, gain ambition or lose weight? Who did remember when I say so? I just wonder if somebody remember when my sister said me now come off as she need to thank me. Okay. She need to thank me. Me not telling a lie. Me help people. One thing them can't say about me, my all for myself. Me help out people on the internet. One thing. Me all if you might not understand when I'm being nice, so I gotta be naughty. I just gotta be naughty. Yeah. Yeah, man. You notice Rosalie foot lift higher today because my cuss roll lazy shows the day before. Rosalie, yeah, try. Yeah, try. Brothers. Let us see the continuation and now stop. And now always remember say me are your first trainer. Yeah, man, we gotta get that back down. The back gotta come down. Yeah, man, the back lift up the dress. I don't like it. We gotta get it down. Why everybody else I'm up late? Like them don't know, say me my man is here. Yeah, my man is here. Me I go to him tonight, me I sleep out. You know, see me I do all my nails. My man there. My man is here. One of them. Yes. No, it can't be new to not new to this. This not new to no new to this.
Alright, some people. Alright, that's how we are gonna end this scene, and we are gonna go over Bling I know and watch some things. You know what I mean? Cause Bling I go play something with Dan. You know what I mean? And Dan attack some things more people. So alright, that's how we are going, you know, go hear what go on over there. So tell me what you think about Shebada go on with.
1.5 minute. man carry me go eat some fish. Eat him out of Jamaica National and when me turn up out there and the blood clot man. So me say, where Mikey there? And he say, him like me. And no Mikey, be enough to talk to Mikey because Mikey broke. Mikey not no money. And he start give me $15,000 a week. Then time they might give you 7. Suck your mama. And me take your man. And your man look me. And whoosh girl go get $15,000 a week in a them the time they na 2,000 and not take that blood clot there. And then time them used to carry 5,000 over Portmore. And he say, alright, since as you carry 5,000 over Portmore, me I go raise it to 20. So you can carry the 5, go give the local boy a week time, you drive me car, go drop him and kick 15. Suck your mama, me not take your man, dirty girl. So you come back, girl, I tell you things about Joanne. Me know where Joanna come from. Because Joanna lead from my friend. When my friend tell Joanne say, it look like me and the man are 2 months. And Tuesday night I think. And Thursday month and if you carry me clothes them. Suck your mama, me take man from you. If I did your man, me could have take him. I want to give him and the man move some for bringing me clothes them. Don't ramp with me cheese. Any man I call put the day 51. The last man will tell me, say, this coming like putting in a triangle in a square. But suck your mama. No man never tell me that yet. Suck your mama cheese. Cheese. Me tell the people them on social media, say your baby father scan you. And him not eat from you. You know what me hear you say last night? Can you tell the people them say a lie me I tell? Me take me ears and hear you say last night, say, a 7 year it take for you boy eat from you. Nasty, dirty, thinking, blood clot cheese. When me I left Jamaica, you look a boy at 2. As your boy and breed and you go tell people if you go tell him baby mother because you want your baby mother and the boy kick you out of your blood clot. Because you easy to breed. You go back, go breed back again. And when you say boy treat you, you come to me for that show your belly. If me left Jamaica when he picked me at 2 blood clot here, that means that me there we do nothing about 3 years. So if it takes 7 years to eat from you, and I me at them, and me the only did it for 3, oh me I go know it. So oh you tell the people them say a lie. And last night the year you confess and say it take a boy about 7 years for yam from your nasty, dirty, stinking blood clot. Yeah. Me tell a lie upon you. You say me tell a lie upon you. We lie the way me tell upon your shit house. If a man nah eat from you, how am I going to eat you? And he scan your food when you cook. Remember, cook your cooking. So if he scan the food when you cook, you tell be a blood clot lie. You say me used to dance go-go. Name the club. Cheese me a man. It's a phone call. And you come on TikTok and tell people so me never did a live no life. Why you under my arm so long? Why me a venticate for you so long? Tell the people them. Every time you buy a boy, you walk down a boy baby mother yard for your boy baby mother see you. And then when she go tell the boy say you pass and throw with him be a blood clot and you love man. Cheese you love man eating for a young girl. Cheese, same like how a man treat you, I saw you treat a little boy. Me come and me tell the people them say you keep a baby shower and I want somebody to do their baby shower. You change the narrative and say you keep party. Oh party when little boy a 2-year-old. The boy famous in a capture land. Everybody love the boy because the boy quiet and the boy not talk. So when they go fund down the blood clot pitney because of the boy, the people, them 8, 9 and 10 year old there. What kind of lie me tell upon you? Tell me lie when me tell upon you. Me and your friend, Pierre, me ever give me telephone number, Cheese? Cheese, me ever eat a slice of bread from you? Cheese all when you send me for money from the first week on the wife. And me you send because you said me are the real deal. He might go quick to give me the money for you. And many times you send me and I me go in my pocketbook. And Gia saying, say, if you're going
Donuts. Come on, people, let's go. Donuts.
I treat you just like the toilet.
Donuts. Come on, let's go. So I remember one time Don did come over here and I tell we about the situation. Anybody remember when she come the night and I tell you about the situation? And I was listening mostly. While I was listening, I said, no man, but what can go so? Maybe.
People, one time here, Destiny say, cheese did a must cook, right? And cheese a cook porridge, But the type of porridge where cheese a cook was like rice porridge mixed with cornmeal. I first me ever hear that. Me don't know if a truth or a lie. Me eat rice and cornmeal already, people. Yeah. One time me eat that together. Anybody will cook rice and cornmeal, you will go on and the rice spoil and them just put the cornmeal in it. Me know enough of them never eat that yet. Yeah man, me eat it one time. But me no know if I make it. You see me? But me people, Dan and cheese situation, it sound a way still, you know what I mean? But me not go really wrong Dan in a way. And cheese, me not go too wrong cheese, but your cheese go wrong me people when cheese want people to pick side. Alright, so.
Bling, I pray to God you go and study. Anyway, when Dan did come and Dan was talking, guys, you guys need to support the live goal. I'm looking for my plane ticket. Everybody, the plane ticket is $350. Please to send something in the PayPal over there. Look at the on the left hand side, you will see the blue and white notepad. Please to drop something in the PayPal, Cash App, and the Zelle. Thank you. So you guys remember when Don came and Don was telling us that the situation with the young lady, and I said to her in the end, no man, it's long time this girl hate you. Something why this girl hate you so much. Dale, thank you for supporting me. When me say something just not clean. Who remember that? When me I say something just not clean. So why would she hate you? All the way Dan told us, me I say, no man. This deep man. Because they are friends for many, many years. And me I said to myself, what could have been the reason, Preps, why the lady hate Dan so much? Like a while on here, me play the audio with Dan. Star Girl Walton, Angela, that's what me go for go say. Now we know why the lady hate Dan. The reason why this happened is because two of them must have talk to the same person. That's why it looked like Donna say. When I think Maybe so they were. That's why the feelings are carried. No, nada. Yeah, me have some people in the next part I play. I listen to the situation and the stuff with she and cheese. Done. Yeah. Thank you, Prim and Proper. Thank you, Roderick, Bless. Thank you so much.
Alright, some people. Alright, so we are gonna end this and we are gonna go over Ivania now and hear what Ivania say, you know what I mean, about her friend cause she break down and I'll cry upon the live, you know what I mean. So tell me what you think my people about the whole cheese and situation because people it look like say every call them make to each other, them record it, you know what I mean, cause a beer voice note more while we are here. You see me? But the part where Dan say, where me have to still I think about, and when Dan say the man say, it's like putting a triangle through a square. Yeah, no. So I go over Ivani and all my people.
And I was like the first person who keep my birthday party. Always I give the presents. Always look over me. I can't believe it. Like a friend. Oh God, like a friend.
For screen record it, put it up now for send me over here the phone. The same thing me post and say me in my own little world and then we still compare live with foolishness. In your own little world and then still. Block your fan page. You know, so I know one lady when me did in lock up at Jamaica, she did have diabetes. She did must make me throw a sip of one man in a wheelchair. And she over there every minute then come stick her and to and test some shit on it. You know such body? I'm fine now. It hurt me. Ooh. So I not tell you, say 3 days ago me and the man a text. And that's why I find it so hard to believe. You know a lady when me talk about though, I remember her name. Drink some tea or some food, me da cook rice and ackee and bacon. So now I'm like a friend in a man. Jeez. In there talking, yeah. You know, so me I look on the comment and I read none of them come like me space out to us a while ago. Just a kick in back. Me I look on the comment them a while ago, me just see them a go up. Me zone the fuck a while ago. You're not here. You're not here, Ice. You have put it back in on the bassinet and take you out of the crib. Come here. Alright. Oh, yeah, kicker. No. You know what? Alright, mash up yourself. Your backside. Alright. No, alright, so go. Wait, watch. Anybody knows Stunner knows a Stunner a good youth. Anybody, may I tell you, say, you could tell Stunner nothing about me. All the weird talks me this Stunner this. If Stunner was alive today and it was something different, or maybe meeting an accident, and in a hospital or in a coma, me know me can swear for my life. So when he come out of coma and this is well on for me. No care who you be. You know, so I never know sister have a new girlfriend. Me and him text me on WhatsApp, but I never know say me know say mom Kitty did break up, but me never know say have a new girlfriend, you know. Oh, me never know. No one ain't him by Louis. Did you get Louis for free? I want man was sell dog and they give me Louis and then he didn't want to take back Louis from me. Cause I say Louis papa and I didn't give him back. Stunner buy me TV and did buy me my iPhone 13 and then he upgraded to 14. Keep my party, give me much wig and thing.
Some people, this youth, yeah, it look like it's a good youth, you know what I mean, a kind youth certain way, because me did see him on live already, you know. Like the girl when named Unique, the one where every boss used to be with, and she come expose him or whatever. Yeah, me see she on live and like she did a look somebody for help her out with some situation. You know what I mean? And I think him come up on her live and tell her, say, yo, him a go do certain things for her, whatever. You know what I mean? Him not go take up our responsibility still, but him a go try see what him can do for her. So it look like say he was a good youth. You understand what I say? So we are going to watch a few more minutes of this and then we are going to go over to the big discussion where them have about Dan and Cheese situation.
Figure I make whole heap of girl, I make how much girl win make how much girl get free week from Stunner iPhone. Stunner depend on live, just I give her iPhone, I give her iPhone. I want kind boy, me just can't believe saying that. But me just not understand. If you know say sick, why you smoking and you drinking? Maybe in the tired of life and you fed up, me don't know. Me no saying in that sick though. Uncle friend. Taking pill. What pill? Me no want a pill. Me no really like pill no. I tell you, so this make me start pre-life and get different now. You know, when somebody alright, when somebody real tone gone, you go see. All I will say I laugh. I must take care of our bodies, that being said. Eh? Why you say why you must take care of your body? Because you got that, you mean? Not take care of your own. I hear about go and go. You lose your sister, my God. A long time, nobody not in our years, you know? Our people women know. Man, trigger text same way, but you have to understand, say, I know all of my friends them up. You know, say people think say me not have friends. Me don't know. Guys, me only make people know when me want them to know. Me have personal business when nobody on social media don't know. You would think a lie me I tell. Me make you know when me want you to know. There's so much going on in my life right now. And before, with thousands and the whole social media don't know. Cause certain things we now go telling them. And all of my friends them love social media, you know. If my post Trigger, he have a problem. But Trigger is not a social media person. If I get up a post him up every day. That don't mean to me and him not talk. That don't mean to me not send him money. If you never know, Trigger is my best friend. A two best friend me ever have. The friend from like high school, but I talk about big woman. Two, you know, my big woman stage. Two best friend me ever have. Trigger and Gio. And Gio is no longer my friend. Trigger was always my number one best friend. But me not go come post up Trigger every day upon the internet. So not because you don't see me posting means so we not talk, we talk. Sometimes people have to be careful how they put people life in a danger, you know, because if people then hear say stunner gone, I guess so sweet girl, and they say girl, can't put them as a serious allegation that you cause for somebody. Suppose police go hold all the woman now. Have the woman detained for maybe how much months. And you know, say you can't in a. You know, so they can detain you for years before your case even done for them find you guilty or not guilty. Me a friend over photo goes now 6 years and still there in a jail. I try to figure out if they do a crime. You can't know. Yeah, me see them say any girl when got something there. You have to wait until them do autopsy and them thing if you actually know. While go on the campaign picture and people say prison what that you give people. I feel like you have one heart attack, I don't know.
Alright, my people, so alright, yeah, so I got in this. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. And what Ivan here say about the people and what I say the woman whatever him, you know what I mean? That a real thing. You can't see a person do something and you know for sure it's a boy rare, you know what I mean, a serious thing that. So as I say people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We're gonna go over to the discussion you know with the people them about Dan and Cheese kick off for go on.
Well, maybe the call that TikTok liar made to chase, that should have been a call to cheat.
No, because when I look good, girl, Cheese was on Blinger. And Chase run and call Cheese. I know Chase was gonna call Cheese. So if it was a high, why would I tell
tell me, say, is you tell her, if you tell me if you get the baby ready. Why didn't you call me and tell me to get the child ready?
Because Cheese, when I called you, when I look, you was on Blinger Live. Me just wake up in the Cheese.
Girl, watch this.
Just wake up.
That is bollocks. I call you and ask you to do something for me.
No, why you didn't call me? Cheese. I should have called you. Okay, Cheese. I should have called you. I should have called you. Understand what you say? I should have called you. And I will take blame for that. I should have called you. Yes, you called me. I should have called you. But to say you said me have no say you have warrant and me set you up? No. I should have called you. No, to say I tried to set you up, that no. I should have called you.
Look, if you say you call the man call your animal leave the place.
Honestly, TikTok liar, honestly, it looks suspicious. And I'm alright to think what she wants.
Okay, and I understand that. I understand that, but I don't know what this man went to the precinct and did. It was nothing about no warrant. And I said to you now, I never know.
Hold on, it's the same thing. You don't have to know what he's going there to say. No, we're not pick up the cheese, we're not pick up the
I understand, I understand what you're saying.
Listen, what we're saying, what the issue here is, if you and Cheese had been corresponding all along, whether she's on the live, because me watch live all the time and see the phone them ring. The call that you had made to Chase, that should have been a call to Cheese. That is basically that's what everybody is saying.
Okay, I understand, good girl, and I will say that. I respect that, and you're right. The call should have been to Cheese, and I agree to that. We can see everybody point with that.
So the main fact that Cheese is being suspicious is because you didn't call her. And anybody would think that it's a setup. If you and her normally a correspond, and then at this point when it reaches nitty-gritty, you don't place a call to her, you place it to somebody else.
Exactly.
Regardless of the fact that she and Chase is friend, sometime and every time, just put their heads there and every time people want people at them business.
And she never asked Chase, all of them look at somebody.
You can't take me down now.
What that's all we was saying, TikTok lawyer. Like, you know, even if you didn't call, you should have text like, yo, dog.
Are we honest? You don't feel like you really try, but I know what you do.
I wanted TikTok lawyer here when I'm here, guys. Can I talk? Coming at first.
Cheese, listen to the conversation. Cheese, listen to the recording when you play. I really.
Good night, madam. Madam, we can't just talk because me say done when I do a work and then we can come back off. When she called me, what time made that earpiece? Somebody just text me, say she over there lie again. What time did she say she called me? Or what time did this whole thing started? She said, me come hear one part where she said 12 o'clock, right?
11:30, something like that. She said start. She said to call them.
Okay, hold on.
Well, she must say the time. Remember the time, what she said?
She tell the time. She go in her phone and say she go look for the exact time.
She said she wake up late.
Yeah, sure, she wake up and she said the call them was about 11:30, she said.
And the baby father text her at 9:30.
Listen, good man. She said after 11.
After 11, so she said the call them.
Oh.
After 11. This was the first time she called me, and I canceled it because I was talking to my insurance. That morning, mother, I woke up and a tree had fell in my house. I fell in my car. This was calling me. I was talking to the insurance people, and I canceled her call. Okay, that's the time when she. Look at the time. Move the 21 and older.
She's 10:51 a.m. Okay. So she gets the time right there because she said maybe she said just about it, yeah.
Okay. She said she called and it was sometime. So when she first called me, she said that he said to me that me must call Cheese until I say get the baby ready. Because so much stuff was going on with me mother, it never that click in my head because it never that click to me to say like nothing was going on behind the scene or whatever, right? Because I'm hurt behind this. Cheese can tell her, or whoever else when me call them, all of my friends them when me call and cry to can tell her because even Cheese said to me, said Cheese, you're too friendly, and I know I am. Me is a soft-hearted person. People always fuck with me at this point. Me beat myself like nights now. Oh, you call me and you could have called Cheese. Like it is just blue.
What?
Right? Alright, past that.
So Cheers, when she called you, right?
The first thing she said to me was call. Yes, when she called me, I canceled her call. After I got off the phone with my insurance company, she was calling again and I answered the call. She said, Cheese, call Cheese until I said, the baby father, I come, forget pop ready. I said, okay, Cheese, look. Because the way she have me, my head go swing like gig. Me have to screen record and shot everything.
Alright, did you know that the cops was gonna accompany the boyfriend?
Alright, so people, me feel like so why Cheese really go hard on the woman there is because she a Dan moderator and Cheese and Dan in a thing. So she guilty by association. You understand me I say? So I feel like so that's why Cheese really have her up. But for she, you know what I mean, link somebody else, right? With information where Cheese would have want instead of link Cheese that look away also. You know what I mean? But maybe why she no link Cheese is because Dan and Cheese at it and she, you know what I mean, a Dan moderator and advisor. So if she go over Cheese with certain information, maybe it cause a thing with she and Dan, you know what I mean, or Cheese would have run her and say boy whatever. You see me? So wanna make me know what you think in the comment section, my people. We're gonna watch some more.
When after I talked to Cheese the first time and tell her because madam, let me tell you, when she called me the first time.
No, you have to answer the question and then you explain.
When we talked to Cheese the first time, she never told me that.
No, Cheese.
No, when she talked to me the first time, she never told me that. When she called me back, she said the guy is going to go with a police and I shouldn't say anything to Cheese.
Alright.
When she said that to me.
But Cheers, did you say anything to Cheese?
Listen, no man, when she said that to me, I come off on the phone.
Cheers, you know me can talk about still ask the question. Come have to be fair.
No, me not get to talk to Cheese on the phone. Mother, up to now, I haven't gotten to talk to Cheese on the phone. From that first call.
Say something to your mother. You see the time when Cheese called me, I think we are going to have to me the door knock. So you see, if Cheese even call the police, them have my phone. My phone really did that.
But you're going to answer if they call you.
That's what I'm getting to. I'm told you that when after me talk to Tik Tok lawyer after she called me the second time, I was calling Cheese as soon as me come off of the phone with her. I say, I like stuff start for clicking on my head. Me calling Cheese. Me all text you. When me a call, she decline the call. She decline the call. She decline the call.
No, she do. She had the wire talk on phone, you know. And she know the wire got the police chase, you know. And she only call Cheese to tell Cheese to make me get the child ready. When
it's
she
still
know the wire
upset to the fact where I'm thinking. If Chief asks you to do something to fear, why you call me? Why you get me involved? I am so Tik Tok like I know y'all listen. Me pissed off and upset behind this because I never expect this from you. Because me and you and Cheese talk about a lot of stuff. I'm really think say as all me I root for Cheese and her son, me root for the son more than me root for Cheese and Cheese are my friend. It really hurt me Tik Tok like I want you know that say it hurt me.
So Cheers, you're saying, are you guys saying
I gotta go.
Hold on, who gone?
I work today.
Cheers, alright. Boy, me don't tell you that it's not an angle at all.
It a got angle, because you know
Because
why
if
the
people don't
truth
have
is
on the live,
coming
they're not
out.
asking the right questions then. So get to the point.
While ago, me did have to calm down and come back because a lot of lies been telling.
And cheese, I want
Anything,
this time
yeah.
around, cheese, I am not bashing you. Even though you want this time around, I am not bashing you. I swear to God, I'm not bash you. But you see, because
That don't matter, you say this last, I wish not about the man.
I'm trying to get to you. But you say now, come on,
that fight to come in the yard, you know?
you say, and this one, but cheese, I'm trying to live together. And then the
Alright, listen, you know. Alright, listen. It's okay for you to think what you want to think, but you see.
thinking, but I repeat, you just blow up.
Let me say something to you. Me and Dan was never no friend. Me and Dan was associate. You understand? What you call friend, to be honest? What is a friend?
A friend is someone who you call, and you know you can talk to them about just about anything. And then when I give you advice, and you give them back advice.
Okay, so I have never called that woman for advice.
To you and vice versa.
Okay, so let me say something to you now. I've never called that woman for any form of advice. What I call that woman to do is deliver a message for me now and then. But an advice, no. No. Because she's not a good role model from day one. That's how I know her. So she could never give me an advice. Somebody that can't even pronounce them can't even construct a proper statement, no. Are you gonna give me advice when you live in a dirty ass life? You're there with a man where you have to wait, literally wait for your time and your day to get. You can give me advice? Nah, boy.
Alright, some people. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna end it. Just let me know what you think in the comment section.